going on, guys? 2015 F150 3.5 Ecoboost. A couple days ago I got the P0305 code. I got it under just normal acceleration. Felt like I pretty much lost a turbo, felt like a hose blew off or something, lost a lot of power. What that is cylinder 5 misfire, 3012345. It's all the cylinders. So mine was the 5th cylinder, and right off the bat I was like, man, 30,000 miles, what the hell. So I thought it was a spark plug, original plugs. Did some research on when people are replacing these spark plugs for these Ecoboost engines. You got people doing it from 10,000 miles, 30,000 miles, 50,000 miles. I was planning on doing mine about 40,000. So, I was shopping around for plugs to see what they recommended. I came across More Power Tuning's website. They recommend, I think, every 15,000 miles to swap these plugs. Like I said, I got over 30,000 on mine, and so I said, all right, maybe something happened with my plug. Went and got all new plugs. I also wanted to see what the gaps were from the factory, and I wanted to re-gap mine. So went out, got some new plugs, threw the plugs in, started it up, misfire again. Said, man, what the hell? Sure enough, you guys know I bought all these new Accel coil packs here probably about 10 months ago. So I grabbed one of my factory ones, threw it in there, bam, problem went away, So it ended up being the coil pack anyways, which is pretty disappointing. And I found out that they only have a 90-day manufacturer warranty, which is pretty shitty for a coil pack. These coil packs should last, years. But anyways, I got new plugs in. The factory ones are gapped at about 38 thousandths. They don't look too bad. Like I said, I got 30,000 miles on them, so about 40,000, I don't know, 30,000 is what I'm going to start doing them now at anyways. But just thought I'd let you guys know, it's nice to, like I said, I don't really recommend upgrading your coil packs right away. The OEM ones are, good. But it's nice to have spare parts. Luckily I was close to the house when this happened. So I just cruised on home, and I had one right on hand that I should have just tried first. But now I know, depending on the mileage of my plugs, I'll have to swap the coil pack first if it ever happens again. But that's, what you need to check out if you do get a misfire. I would start with a coil pack. If you have a spare one laying around, throw that in there. And if it doesn't fix the problem, then it probably is your plugs, depending on the age. But, yep, so kind of disappointed with that. So I'm going to say I don't really recommend buying these if I already got one going out in 10 months. It's a shame. But I did gap my new plugs at 28 thousandths. And it's been running excellent. Idle's awesome now. So that's why I kind of agree that about 30,000 or so it might be time to swap the plugs, because it's idling, just freaking smooth as butter right now. So I thought I'd just give you guys a little update. If you ever get that code, that's what it is. And like I said, I would check the coil pack first before you go to swapping plugs. So if you guys got any more questions on it, hit me back. Thanks.